Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to activate a Bank of America debit card. So when your new or replacement Bank of America card finally arrives at the mail, it's completely locked down for your security. Before you can buy anything or withdraw cash, you need to initialize it. Today I'll show you the 3 quickest ways to activate your card so you can start safely using your money right away. So the absolute fastest method is just using your phone. So for that, guys, you just go ahead and navigate to your Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone you have, and then just search for the Bank of America mobile app. Okay, I'm doing this on the phone, but you get the idea. This is the app that you need. 50 mil downloads. You'll see, then tap directly into the checking account linked to your new card, and scroll down slightly and select debit card settings. Also, don't forget, of course, log in into your account. And you'll see your pending card waiting there with a clear activate button option. You won't see anything else because without activation, you won't be able to use it. Tap that, the app will ask you to verify a few details for security. Type in the card's expiration date and the 3-digit security CVV printed on the back. Then you just hit verify and your card goes live instantly, automatically linking up with your native smartphone digital wallets. Alright guys, and if you don't have a mobile app installed, I will show you a dedicated phone hotline that you can just use and call them to get your digits. Alright, so the number is this one. You can just go ahead and call them and follow the quick voice prompts to type in your 16-digit card number, your billing zip code, and the security numbers on the back. It takes less than 60 seconds to complete the loop. And then once activated, just sign the signature strip on the back right away and safely shred your old expired card. That's it, enjoy, and see you soon guys.